Expert on the beat.
I've been rolling all this motherfucking weed up, trying to stack up on my bands, trying to re-up. Lost that fucking shit, had to get it back. Nigga, get your bitch off on my back. I need that motherfucking bag, nigga. I need that motherfucking trap, nigga. Trapping with my motherfucking trap, nigga. Shooting shit down like the flag, nigga. Getting money, ain't no problem. About to do my thing with no problem. 2016, that's the problem. My niggas got the bag and it's loud. Get this shit up on my ear. Got my niggas in the back smoking on that pear. Got my niggas in the back smoking on that wild. That loud got a nigga trippy. Blow. Got the chicken, need them rubber bands. Got the chicken, I need the rubber bands. I got the chicken, need the rubber bands. Come play around, I'ma shoot your mans. I got the chicken, so I got the bands. I got the chicken, need the rubber bands. I got the chicken, need the rubber bands. Come play around, nigga, we gon' shoot your man. Blah!
Anyway, how's that mix?
Hey, go!